let's talk about the care packages that come with your drones. Let's start with DJI. They have their DJI Care Refresh package. If you can go to their store, dji.com/support/service/DJI Refresh. You will come here. You can Google it and find it pretty easily. But these are the supported products that you can get the Care Refresh package. So you pay extra when you buy it, and it will they'll send you a new one or fix your drone if you break it. So 1 and 2 year plans are available. What we have, basically when you first buy your drone and you haven't activated it yet, you can buy this, and they will fix your drone up to 2 drones a year, or as part of your plan. Let's look at the Mavic 3, the 1 year plan. That's $239. So, if you got the money, probably worth it. If you're going to be flying every day, it's part of your business. It's not a bad idea. You're going to be, you may crash it, right? So good to have, the Air 2S for the 1 year plan, and it's $99. So, that's probably more reasonable, but, then again, it's less than if you could buy a new one for $800, like, you got to kind of weigh that. So, you activate it when you first buy the drone, or within 48 hours of purchasing it, and it basically is an insurance policy for your drone if you crash it and break it. And so that's DJI's version. Skydio has a similar thing. Skydio Care, for 1 year you get for $149. You get the same thing. You get replacement, up to 2 cost replacements, even up to 1 lost drone replacement. So if you lose it, they'll send you another one. So 30 days of your original order. There's terms and conditions, and you got to read the fine print. I imagine these change a little bit every now and then, but it's sort of reduces your stress level a little bit. So yeah, it's nice for financial purposes, but if you don't have to worry so much about the ruining your business completely if something goes wrong. You may have a little less stress. Hopefully you won't fly anymore recklessly or anything like that. But essentially, I think if you got the money, you can it's probably a good idea to get one of these Care Refresh packages. Up to you though. Different than insurance, but similar concept, peace of mind.